Bongga-bonggaan mo na, Boss Eric. Kita nyo ba yun? Thank you for the like, guys. Pag may kumakausap sa akin dito, ginaganahan ako. Tambay ko ako kung may gagawin ako. Sige lang, Boss Eric. Go ahead. Hi, Gino. Thank you for the like, guys. Tell you everything. Is you with me? Hi, Boss Chano. Welcome to my live. Thank you for the like, guys. Hi, Laser. And tell me now, how do I live without you? I shall. I want to know. Never survive. How do I live? Hi, Anonymous. Welcome to my life. Ako rin mas ginanagin ako kapag maraming nakakausap. Di ba, Justin? Oo, syempre parang interesado. Ganda naman akong like sagutin kung ano man yung itatanong sa akin. Hi din po, ganda. Hello, Anonymous. Kamusta ang buhay-buhay? The waves in my sky. But to live without you. I gotta lie awake. Hi, Joe. I like you, beautiful girl. Send ka ng gift. Ano ba yan? How do I? Gusto. Tama yan. There'll be nothing that I want to. If I lose it, I lose you. Thank you for the like, guys. And you never me. You take away everything. Need you here. And tell me now, how do I live? I want to live without you. If you ever go, how do I ever? Ganda naman po. Thank you. Umuulan ba, guys? Bakit puro walang pera? Tama. Umuulan ba dyan sa inyo, guys? Kasi dito umuulan ata. How do I? Kay Anthony Labrador. Without you. Hi, Madam Damin. Hello, Minero. Maybe no shining. Hi, Kenneth. Thank you for the like. How you doing? I'm nothing. How about you? Hi, January Huntsiver. Welcome to my live, guys. Hi, Page Pace. Shilin, yeah. I'm from Pangasinan. By the way, I'm from Philippines. Donald, hi Donald. Dapat lang tawarin ng Pinas kasi ang dami ng mahilig ang ulo para naman lumamig. Dapat halo-halo. Like, minum sila or kumain sila ng malamig. Ganda mo naman ate, you're so beautiful. But thank you, Menaro. Oh, Filipina. Yes, I'm Filipina. I'm pure Filipina, by the way. Hi, King Heart. Welcome to my life.